Santa Van.
Max Van, the little elf.
And we are here to wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
It's a nice hat you got on, dude.
It's a very nice hat.
It's a nice hat. So before we shot this video, this is like take number 10, by the way. Before we shot this video, he's like, dude, do I really have to wear the elf hat? I'm like, absolutely you're wearing the elf hat, man.
Yeah, I look cute, you know what I mean?
Well, that's debatable. That's debatable. So he's like, well, when do I get to not wear the elf hat? When can I wear a Santa hat? I'm like, well, that's kind of a privilege reserved for the actual Santa Van, which you are not. You're the little elf. Next year, when he's 18, I'm going to allow him to file a petition. A petition to wear a hat that doesn't have ears on it when we're doing our holiday videos. Will that petition be heard? Probably not.
No.
But I'm going to allow you to do it anyways.
Sure. But again, we're just here to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And a Happy New Year.
And we hope you guys spend a bunch of time with your family this weekend. Enjoy it. Hope, you know, the young kids get gifts they want. I hope some of you guys that ride out there, hopefully your wives give you some money, maybe buy you a new exhaust, set of tires, helmets.
And what extension should they call?
248-888-784-4327. Sportbiketracker.com.
Merry Christmas.